let me tell you a little bit more about what a cohabitation agreement does and what you can put in it. Well, firstly, the cohabitation agreement is personal to you, so it can have any rights in there. You can have all kinds of things in: who pays what, who buys the shopping, who pays the mortgage, and how long the cohabitation agreement is going to last for. The cohabitation agreement can also say that because one person is paying the mortgage and, for example, the other one pays the rest of the bills, that doesn't mean that the parties haven't got equal rights with respect to the property. It also means that if you have the property vested in one person's name and the other person is just living in the property, that perhaps because they're paying half the mortgage doesn't mean that they have a claim against the property. I often see this happen in cases where parties each own a property and decide to live in one property together and rent out the other property. In that case, it might be that they hold each of the properties in each of their sole names, and neither party wants the other one to have a claim against their own property effectively, even though they're living together in one. So you can protect yourself, you can say who gets what, and you can also have provision in for what happens at the end of the relationship and how that relationship ends, and how you're going to ask each other to leave the property. If you jointly own the property, you may say, in the event of the relationship breaking down, if neither party can raise enough money to buy the other house, to buy their share, the property goes on the market for sale after a certain time period. You could also say that you both move out and decide to rent out the property. There are a number of options that might be available to you and might be suitable to your case that you want to include within your agreement.